Have you ever wondered why your phone might be designed in California, assembled in China, with parts from South Korea and Taiwan? Why don't countries just make everything themselves? The simple answer is trade, but the real reason is a powerful economic idea called comparative advantage. It's not just about who's most efficient. It's about who has the edge. Let's break it down. First, there's absolute advantage. This is simple. Who can produce more of something with the same resources? If country A can grow 100 tons of rice while country B only grows 50, country A has the absolute advantage in rice. Easy, right? But here's where it gets interesting. The real magic of trade comes from comparative advantage. This isn't about who's best overall, but who gives up the least to produce something. This giving up is what economists call opportunity cost. Let's imagine two countries. Let's call them Riceland and Autoland. Riceland is fantastic at growing rice, but not so great at building cars. Autoland, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for manufacturing cars, but struggles with farming. It's pretty obvious they should trade, right? Riceland should focus on growing rice, and Autoland should focus on building cars. By specializing in what they do best and trading with each other, both countries get more rice and more cars than they could have produced on their own. Now for the mind-blowing part. What if one country is better at producing everything? Let's say Riceland is not only better at growing rice, but also slightly better at making cars than Autoland. Should Riceland just do everything itself? The answer is no. Even if Riceland has an absolute advantage in both goods, Autoland will still have a comparative advantage in one of them. Why? Because Riceland's time and resources are limited. To make one more car, it might have to give up a huge amount of rice production. Autoland, being less efficient at farming, gives up much less rice to produce that same car. So Autoland has a lower opportunity cost for making cars. It makes sense for Riceland to focus on its biggest strength, rice, and trade for cars from Autoland. Specialization makes everyone richer, expanding possibilities for both. This very principle is what drives our global economy. It's why you can buy coffee from Vietnam, electronics from Japan, and clothes from Cambodia. Comparative advantage allows countries to consume beyond their own production limits, creating a win-win situation. It's not just about competition. It's about cooperation that lifts everyone up. So the next time you see a made in ... double quotes label, remember it's not just a tag. It's a story of opportunity cost and the incredible power of comparative advantage, making our world more interconnected and prosperous. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more simple explanations of big ideas. See you in the next one.